Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and send Bitcoin on MoonPay. So we are going to head over our phone or our desktop. It is going to be the same thing. So we are going basically to head over the App Store. Once we are on the App Store, we are going to select or see for ourselves the app from the search bar. And then we are going to click on the search bar again and type in MoonPay just like that. So we are going to find only one app with the description of the MoonPay. We are going to open up that app. As you can see here, I have already installed it and it needs an update. Doesn't matter a lot, so we are going to search for the app and we're going to enter it. I'm going to enter that. As you can see at the dashboard of the specific app, it is going to give you here the name, the coins, and also the total value of your balance. So what we're going to do basically is to buy or send Bitcoin, or buy and send one. So basically we are going to click on buy on the button buy, and we're going to see from the crypto classics. As you can see, the first one is going to be Bitcoin. If you do not see it as on the classics, and it is going to be maybe impossible to not see the Bitcoin, you can type the name of it like this, Bitcoin, just like that. So click on it and it is going to be right there. So we are going to see that our balance is going to be 0. It is okay. We are going to click on the button buy and we're going to choose the amount that we want to buy. For example, we can go ahead and type in maybe $100 or the equivalent of $100 in the Bitcoin. Click on continue and then we're going to have to pay. Basically, how we can pay, it is going to be either bought with Apple Pay. As you can see, I am using a Apple device, so we can go ahead and have it as an Apple Pay, or we can go ahead and use another method which is going to be consistent with choosing, for example, a debit or credit card. So it is going to be from here. And then after we have bought that, we are going to receive it right away. And then we can go ahead to our dashboard. So I'm going to be into our dashboard. From this specific, as you can see, value, it is going to be changed, of course, and obviously. We can go ahead and set up or change and also send that amount to other persons. So basically we are going to have here the top up for another, let's say here, wallet. So you can go ahead and add a wallet, and that wallet is going to receive that money or that value that we have set up from the Bitcoin. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.